As a new parent, it can be tricky to know when your newborn is hungry. Babies cannot tell you with words, but they give clear signs through their behavior. Thankfully, there are simple signs that can help you know when your baby is hungry. When your baby is hungry, they may turn their head toward your chest or nuzzle their face against your skin. It is a natural instinct that helps them find the breast or bottle. If you see this, it is a good sign your baby is ready to feed. Another sign your baby might be hungry is when they begin to suck on their hands, fingers, or even clothes. This is a natural way for babies to soothe themselves, but it can also signal that they are looking for food. If your newborn starts licking their lips, it is often a sign that they are hungry. This movement is a way of preparing for feeding and signaling that they are looking for milk. When babies are hungry, they may become restless or start crying. They are uncomfortable and in need of food. If your baby starts to get fussy, it is a good idea to check if they need a feed. If your baby focuses on your chest or a bottle, this can be a strong clue they are hungry. They might fix their gaze on the food source, showing interest in nursing or bottle feeding. Babies may clench their fists when they are hungry. This is a sign that they are feeling tense and ready for a meal. If you notice this, it could mean that your baby is looking for a feed soon. While crying is a late sign of hunger, it is still a common way for newborns to communicate. If your baby is crying and you tried other ways to comfort them, it could be a sign they are hungry. After feeding, your baby will often seem more relaxed and content. If they are calm and no longer fussy, it means they have gotten the nourishment they needed. If they are still restless after feeding, they may need more food. So, understanding your newborn's hunger signs is important to make sure they are feeding on time and stay comfortable and happy.